Introducing the Roën ecosystem with native on-chain applications. CoinStacker and Fractional Sector Marketplace. This is the Roën system. It's the native blockchain architecture on which all the constituent dApps are based, and as well the partner marketplaces and exchanges. Roën layers Web3 directly on top of client Web2 domains, which represents true decentralization. This contrasts our remotely considered competitor models, which utilize client hardware for the aggregated blockchain storage. Client hardware is problematic for a few reasons in terms of security, reliability, and the dependency on the hardware itself. In the Roën system, we have two revenue streams, and those are represented here as the two portals, the one being the client signups for the member domain hub, and the other one, the on-chain business marketplace. The value proposition for users is that they get a free Web3 top-level domain on signup. And here we see the offer for the Web3 domain, and we can get started. We'll get started by entering a domain. And next we can create our account. Now we have the option to connect our Web3 wallet, and I'll skip that for now. Our setup is complete. Here we have our client dashboard. We have total revenue, ad revenue, and storage revenue with our monthly revenue breakdown and remaining storage for our domain. In this case, we have an indicated total capacity of 1,000 gigabytes and an option to purchase more storage. We can add up to 10 domains at a time on site and request for bulk domain transfer through our customer service. This is all done through our permissions system, which enables smart contracts to purchase web storage space from the registrar's domains. And this storage space is aggregated by IPFS. This is the basis for the layering of the Web3 on the Web2 domain infrastructure. Here we have an example of the breakdown of domains and their revenue and storage usage. Going back to the portals, we have the business-to-business model, which is the on-chain marketplace. Now we can purchase blockchain storage, and we have a 4-tier model. Here we have the example of purchasing 100 gigabytes of storage for the price of $50, and this is competitive with cloud storage models that are currently used. We have a 4-tier system ranging from text data and HTML to include PDFs and images all the way up to all file types, including video, which requires greater bandwidth and storage space. Our payment options include popular cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies with PayPal and card options. Now, fiat payments are limited to $5,000, and upon requesting, we can arrange for greater purchase amounts using the necessary compliance with AML standards. We can explore the on-chain partners, which we'll see demonstrated in the following presentation, including CoinStacker, enabling aggregated crypto trading in CoinStacks, StackVault, leveraging NFT stacking and key aggregation, and also Fractex, which is the corresponding marketplace for fractional trading. And lastly, we have the daily Roën, which is an on-chain betting protocol for predicting news, sports, and market events. Tokenization on the platform initially will be represented by the Roën token for staking and proof of stake. This will be done initially with further consideration to adopt a different token later on to promote system diversity. Welcome to CoinStacker, a native Roën D app, which enables aggregated crypto trading in coin stacks with secure key technology. This is the only application that enables combining multiple cryptocurrencies which are tradable in one stack or in one aggregated trading unit. You can stack, you can restack, and of course, unstack. You can also donate your stack, in which case there will be cost savings with tax credits potentially for your portfolio. Now we're going to look here at managing your stack. And we have an example of two commonly traded cryptocurrencies. And we're going to go ahead and unstack the portfolio. And we have a choice of using our proprietary key stacking software to generate a secure file, which can only be read with our desktop application Unstack. However, in this case, we're going to use connected wallets, either a software wallet or a cold wallet, to unstack. So we've gone ahead and unstacked, and we'll add another stack, in this case, ETF heavy, and we can add a third stack. Now we have all the crypto assets displayed on our unstacked asset screen. We can select all our assets and create a new stack, and we'll name this new stack, and we'll go ahead and stack it with a password. Now this is our synced login password. We'll go ahead and authenticate. We'll indicate that all assets are clear of vesting and trading restrictions. And now it's gone ahead and stacked it. And we can see the total value represented with its constituent cryptocurrencies. And above, we can see our total portfolio represented as a chart with our cryptocurrencies. Now we can trade stacks using our approximate value trading model. This allows for trades within 10% of market value. And this is done to avoid the potential for market manipulation and allow trading flexibility. You can make a one-to-one trade offer, and we can also chat with the person we're trading with. We can search the bids, and we can also search the asks to get the best or most desirable trading price. Our next native Roën D app is StackVault, and StackVault is the sister application for CoinStacker, which uses the same aggregated key technology. CoinStacker and StackVault are using key stacker technology with proprietary re-encryption. The re-encryption process employs industry cryptographic standards, including AES 256, RSA 4096, elliptical curve, and quantum resistant algorithms. And these are above industry standard. StackVault leverages NFT stacking and key aggregation for trading fractional assets. StackVault is linked to Fracdex, the platform where you can trade fractional assets. StackVault aggregates these fractional assets to trade in stacks. Fracdex is a partner marketplace for buying and selling fractional assets. In StackVault, we have similar functionality as seen in CoinStacker, where we can trade and we can actually donate stacks for a tax credit. We have our total assets represented here. In this case, we have a vintage watch, we have rental apartment, and we have commercial property. And these are all fractional units that we have aggregated into stacks. We'll go ahead and manage one of these stacks, in this case, real estate blend. Now we have the stack holdings. We'll go ahead and unstack it. We're going to generate a security file, which is the UNTA key. And this is only readable with the Unstacker desktop application where we can view the crypto keys. And the other option is to use a connected hardware wallet or software. We'll go ahead and add to this stack with another stack, and we're going to combine it and generate another readable key. Now we're going to go ahead and select all the underlying assets and create a new stack. We're prompted for certificates of authenticity. This is confirmed and it will proceed with stacking after all vesting and trading restrictions are clear. We have an option for authentication. In this case, we'll enter our password. And now our new stack is created. Here we see our new stack with a total aggregated value of 154,000. These stacks are tradable. We have system suggested trades within 10% of market value. Market values are updated continually through smart contracts. The asset classes that will be tokenized for trading with our aggregated stack trading will include such assets as real estate, gold and treasuries, art, including modern art and NFT art, as well as other assets, including collectibles. Fracdex is our next on-chain native Roën app, and this is linked to StackVault, and it's a partner marketplace for buying and selling fractional assets. Fracdex is linked to StackVault for trading, buying, and selling. And the trading part is done on StackVault. We can explore the marketplace and also look at our partners. And these represent the major industry players in fractional asset trading. Here we have the list and the links to these suggested partners. And we'll go ahead and look at our Fracdex portfolio. And it's going to show us what fractional assets we hold. In this case, we have a Miami condo, we have modern art, and a classic car. It shows the values of these fractional assets which we can buy and sell. And our trading is linked to StackVault, where we can aggregate these assets and trade them, or trade as a single stack. Our wallet connection enables purchasing and selling with the major cryptocurrencies, and also to enable trading. Our last application that I'd like to demonstrate on Roën is called the Daily Roën, or TDR, where players can sign up and they get 1,000 Roën. These are the native tokens, utility tokens, used for making transactions on the blockchain. And our tokenization is going to be open to the use of other tokens, and this is to encourage ecosystem diversity. The Daily Roën is an on-chain betting protocol for predicting news, sports, and market events. After signing up, you can answer today's questions by choosing your category and making a prediction. In this case, we have a prediction about the price movement of cryptocurrencies. We have another sports prediction about which football team will win, and also regarding politics in the world, regarding the next G7 summit. Get your 1,000 Roën welcome bonus and make your predictions today. Results are tabulated at the end of the week, and the pool of community assets is distributed. Lastly, I'll demonstrate the Unstacker desktop application that is used to read the UNTA keys to display the crypto keys that are automatically downloaded on unstacking. One of the prominent features of Unstacker is the lost and found policy for unclaimed stacks. Now, this policy is initiated by the user when there are missing credentials. On sign-up, we have recovery codes, and if our two-factor authentication and recovery codes fail, this is when the policy is initiated by the user. And it allows for stack recovery after a waiting period of up to 1 year on the condition that the stack is not accessed within that waiting period. It is returned to the last transactor. And when the stack is returned, the security layer is removed to allow subsequent stacking and trading of the underlying crypto assets. So this is Unstacker, and we can enter our password or use our hardware key to access. And now we're going to upload our UNTA file to display our crypto keys. Now the keys are hashed, and we can display our keys here. This action is done within the CoinStacker ecosystem, and this is done to ensure security of access. Here we have an overview of our development plan for this year, and some of this has already been achieved. We have the blockchain servers and the nodes at the top, and this is where the IPFS is hosted with all the constituent domains, which are aggregated and comprise the Web3 blockchain storage system. The Roën system is connected to its constituent blockchain dApps, and also to our developer application, the Trader Sensei Exchange, utilizing the Gina token. And this is one of the alternate tokens that the platform will use to promote ecosystem diversity. And it will be tradable on CoinStacker, which is linked to the CoinStacker technologies and the fractional sector marketplace, or Stack Vault. We have a third token, a bridge sector token, and this would represent the other tokens or cryptocurrencies that may be used for trading within the ecosystem. And of course, the Roën token, used for the Roën system, which may be interchangeable with other tokens in the future. At the bottom of our development plan chart, we have our suggested partners, including escrow.com, which is a necessary partner for fiat transactions over $5,000. Fintechs and DeFi will find the Roën system of decentralization viable for on-chain trading. AI domain ad providers are essential to the client revenue stream on sign-up of user domains. Crypto exchanges as partners will be a valuable addition, which will enable cross-platform trading and interoperability. The fractional sales platform partners are integral to Stack Vault trading and also the FracDex marketplace. Regarding our tiered partnership opportunities, we're seeking forward-thinking partners while offering different avenues for collaboration. And this will be based on your organization's strategic objectives and capacity for investment. Our first collaboration option will be with the development team as a technical partnership to work directly with our engineers to integrate Roën system infrastructure into your existing systems. Second option is for traditional financing or equity financing through safes, agreements for future equity, allowing institutional participation while securing platform access. The third option, commitments to evaluate and potentially adopt our platform upon full deployment. And this will provide your organization with early access pricing and implementation priority. With associated native dApps, Roën system platform is ideal for decentralized finance, fintechs, fractional asset sellers, and partnering with crypto exchanges. We're extending our pre-sale token offering until the end of September, and I'll give you the website after this presentation. CoinStacker and Stack Vault on Roën. Stack your assets, trade your stacks.